Hi, I'm Rachel Land, a yoga medicine teacher here with Yoga International to decode some yoga teacher talk. Before I get started with today's tip, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to get all our great content. So today's tip is the cue that's often heard, at least for me because I do this a lot, is to knit the front ribs. And given that we don't have any knitting needles or yarn, you might wonder in classes what that means. So we're talking about these front ribs here, and we'll often see the need to knit the front ribs when we have arms overhead, especially if we're in back bend. You can see my low ribs kind of popping out away from the midline of the body. And on the back side of the body, what that creates is a bit of compression around the low back, the lumbar. So to knit the front ribs, you want to visualize the muscles involved. We have rectus abdominis, I'll call it the six-pack muscle, even though I don't have one, running from the bottom of the rib cage down to the front of the pelvis. The upper part of that muscle, the upper part of rectus abdominis, is the muscle that we use to draw the front ribs toward each other and toward the front rim of the pelvis. So if I come back into that back bend in crescent lunge with my arms overhead, if I take the bottom of the ribs toward each other and toward the front rim of the pelvis, not only does that smooth the rib contour on the front of my body, you can see it influences the position of my lumbar spine as well. So from flaring the low ribs to knitting the ribs in toward each other and down toward the front rim of the pelvis. So hopefully the next time you're in class and you hear a teacher cue you to knit your front ribs, that will give you the visual that you need, and you might even feel the difference around the back of the body. Give it a try and let me know what you think in the comments.